A lot of us are digging through our closets and drawers for items to donate, but before you decide where to give them, you should do your homework.
You really need to. The state is actually suing a Texas-based company, saying it had deceptive clothing bins in Michigan, including around Metro Detroit. And while people thought they were donating to the Michigan Humane Society, not nearly as much actually went to the nonprofit. In parking lots around Metro Detroit and the state of Michigan, clothing bins like this one sit ready for your donations.
They picked a charity that tugs at the heartstrings of most people.
The sign on the bins has the Michigan Humane Society logo on it, but the donation bins are owned by American Textile Recycling Service, or ATRS, based out of Texas.
In every city where we operate the clothing and shoe donation bins, we're partnered with a local charity in that town, and they receive funding from every pound of these donations that are collected.
But Attorney General Bill Schuette's office says it spotted a problem on the company's financial disclosure.
And when we noticed that, we contacted ATRS, which is the company that's running these bins, and said, hey guys, tell us what's going on. Explain the difference between what the bin says, which is 100% of donations go to the Michigan Humane Society, and what we're seeing on your annual filings, which is only pennies on the dollar going to the Michigan Humane Society.
ATRS owns 251 bins in Michigan. Schuette's office says donations in 2016 generated $835,000 in revenue, but ATRS only paid the Michigan Humane Society $49,000. That is just 6% of the total revenue from the bins.
We're taking this very seriously. Michigan residents are very generous people. Open their pocketbooks, they open their closets up to help others, and in this case, they were deceived.
In April, the Attorney General's office ordered ATRS to stop using deceptive stickers.
We have worked very hard with the AG's office to step-by-step comply with all the regulations that they have brought to our attention. And in terms of the signage and the things that they brought up to us, we resolved those concerns within 24 hours and are able to continue having our donation bins in the community. So we just want to keep working with them to resolve the issues that they have and make sure that we're supporting the regulations that exist.
The bins we checked around Metro Detroit did show the signs had been changed to remove the 100% portion. The AG's office filed a lawsuit in November to get the money back from ATRS.
Michigan residents are the real victim. The Humane Society had a legitimate contract with this company in which they knew the funds they were going to get. Now, the problem is ATRS was being deceptive on their charity bins and alleging that all 100% of the proceeds for these bins was going to charity, which we all know now is not true.
It is a business and it's an important one. But along the way, we're helping people, we're helping pets, we're helping the planet. It's a circle of reuse that we're very committed to. I think there might be a misunderstanding about all the good that donation bins do in the community.
The Attorney General's office says it shut down 9 charities this year that were scams. Its message now?
So if you're deceiving Michigan residents as far as a charity scam goes, we're going to go after you.
The Michigan Humane Society released a statement to the local 4 defenders saying it is aware of the AG's office investigation into ATRS. It looks forward to learning the outcome in court. It also says, quote, "We are Michigan's oldest and largest animal welfare organization, and we take that status very seriously. If one of our collaborators is misleading people, then we want to know about it, both for our supporters' sake and for the many other nonprofits following our lead." We did put their full statement on the Defenders page of our website on clickondetroit.com. Bottom line, if you want to make sure when you are donating where the donations are going, contact the charity, Kim, directly.
It really is a shame that you have to do that for every single charity, but you do nowadays.
Because you want to make sure if you want to help out the Humane Society, you're helping out the right
Exactly.
place.
Yeah.